It appears that Amazon Merch on Demand has potentially rolled out a new print-on-demand product in 2025. Actually, it might have been in 2023. I don't know. I'm going to show you all the information that I have, but it looks like they may have rolled out print-on-demand hats of all things. That was not on my bingo card for 2025, but hey, I'll take it. You know I love a new Amazon merch product. I'm going to share as many examples of these print-on-demand, Amazon merch on demand hats that I've been able to find, and let's deep dive together and see what we can figure out. So let's get to it. So we're about to jump in, but I want to do a quick shout out. Somebody shared this on my Amazon merch Facebook group, which is free to join. I'll drop a link to it in the description. Shout out to you though, if that was you. Thank you for sharing. So I went and of course investigated this. As you can see right here, there is a Georgetown Hoyas white baseball hat, price point $21.99, Amazon merch on demand. You see it right there, plain as day, Amazon merch on demand. It is what appears to be a Yupong 6245CM dad hat. I know that because I've sold quite a few of them through Printful, but I'm not 100% sure, but it definitely looks like it. You can even see they have like the green camo and whatnot, so probably is. Anyways, $21.99 appears to be the price point that all of these hats that I can find are listed at. You can see over here on the right-hand side, by the way, too. Ships from Amazon, sold by Amazon, customer service by Amazon, and of course, the Amazon merch on demand. Now, when I jump down the page and look at the date first available, it says November 10th, 2023. That's where I get confused. I'm like, what? Did they sell hats this whole time and nobody knew, or at least I didn't know? If you knew, let me know in the comments. I learned through you guys. You know, it's rare that I'm the first person to find this stuff on the entire internet, but I went ahead and I looked. Is there other products available? So I found, more Georgetown hats. I honestly was just looking specifically for Georgetown hats, and you can see $21.99. This might be the same listing technically because it's got the same 5-star review. The colors: asphalt gray, black, navy blue, stone, and white. And of course, those are all from the Yupong, hat that I was thinking. So I'm pretty confident that's what it's going to be when they roll this out for everybody. You can see there, though. I mean, that's crazy. This is such a departure from their normal catalog, right? To do embroidery. So I wonder what there is. There's got to be more to the story. So look at all the different variations of these Georgetown hats: Georgetown Dad, Georgetown with the G, Georgetown University font, the big Georgetown G, University font again, different colors. Georgetown Hoyas, Georgetown Mom, Georgetown Alumni. So it seems like they've got the rights to sell this, and they're really going like all in on all of these different universities. One thing that I was speculating was that this Elite Authentics shows up as the brand sometimes. And within the Elite Authentics, well, it's weird. When you click Elite Authentics, sometimes you end up on the store for Zephyr. Other times you've come up on a store called like Blue 84. So it's definitely random. And from the Zephyr store, like if I click, a random hat, now I'm on the Coastal Carolina, I'm pretty sure that like these hats that come up are not Amazon merch on demand, which is interesting, right? So we went from here, the merch on demand Georgetown alumni hat. It says Elite Authentics. We click that. It goes to the Zephyr hats, right? And all I did was I clicked this teal one. We can try a different one though. Like it seems like their dad hats have that Z on the side. So it's not going to be Amazon merch on demand. Maybe we try the trucker hat here. So we click once, we click again, the trucker hat. And again, no Amazon merch on demand. So there's got to be more to this story. Another time I had clicked where it said the Elite Authentics, and it took me to a store called Blue 84. And it was the same thing. I couldn't get any Amazon merch specific products. But I did figure out that there are Amazon merch products. Not those, but here. So I think what I had looked for in the search bar, in case you guys were wondering, I looked up Elite Authentics hat. And if you look up Elite Authentics shirt, by the way, just really quickly, I bet you it's like all Amazon merch listings. Yep, look. They're cashing in on the recent, national championship, Ohio State. Yeah, look at these guys making an absolute killing. BSRs of 45, 108, 195, 570. Absolutely killing it. All through Amazon merch. Through this, let's click and see actually. Yeah, Elite Authentics. brand. So I do also kind of wonder, like, did Amazon Merch purchase Elite Authentics and their rights to this intellectual property, perhaps? Selling these t-shirts for $29.99, making an absolute killing. The hats that I also found, just to show you guys and be transparent. So they have other teams too, like Pitt. You scroll down, you even get the Amazon Merch on Demand enhanced brand content. So that's pretty much as big of a confirmation as you can find. This was first available in September of 2023, this Pitt hat. So, I mean, this has been going on for a while, I guess, or maybe they acquired it and are just now rolling out the Amazon Merch on Demand branding and enhanced brand content to these listings. Now, before I wrap this video, I wanted to mention that Merch Dominator is an Amazon Merch research tool, and it's the only one I'm aware of that indexes all of the product types. So if you go to MBA and KDP on the left-hand side, that navigation, click Best Sellers, and underneath the product dropdown right here, you can look at all of the different products. So currently we have the standard shirts, premium shirts, hoodies, pop sockets, phone cases. They have Amazon KDP indexed, long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, V-necks, raglans, tank tops, throw pillows, tote bags, and tumblers. Okay? You have all those, and when the hats go live for everybody, they will also be able to be searched right here. That is worth knowing about because the best time to jump on selling these products is immediately, as soon as they are rolled out. This will be an interesting one too, because I imagine Amazon Merch will not just roll them out automatically the way that they did for other new products. Like you can take a t-shirt design like this 4547 and put it on a tumbler, no problem, but you're not able to necessarily transfer that distressed effect into an embroidered hat, right? We know that that would not work very well with embroidery, like at all. So the last thing I wanted to note is that it looks like currently delivery is estimated about 6 days after the order is placed, maybe 5 or 6 days. So it's January 21st right now. It looks like if I ordered, it would get here January 27th. So about a week from when it's purchased. It is embroidered, so maybe it's a little bit slower. It doesn't have to be, I guess, depends on the capacity and the demand. One last thing, when there's been new products in the past, I've gone to the new product creation page and gone into the developer console, and we were able to search for like the word tumbler, and we were able to see very clearly that tumbler gets plenty of hits. So we knew the tumblers were coming. But if I search for hat, it gets no hits. If I search for baseball, it gets no hits. If I search for cap, C-A-P, it does give me hits, but it does not appear to be that caps are rolling out. Like that's the magic word associated with this product based on what we saw in the past with the other product types that we knew were coming. So just wanted to put a bow on this video by mentioning that. I can't use my former knowledge as a former web developer to identify that the rollout of these hats are imminent, at least on my account. Typically, we'll be able to find them in the CSS, in the source code of the page, and was not able to do that today. But let me know your thoughts about this. It is exciting. It's still January of 2025, so hey, we got that to look forward to. Hopefully later in the year, some embroidered hats and other embroidered products would be amazing if that was able to be sold by us. Let me know what you think, though. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I'm going to drop a link to Merch Dominator. It's the #1 research tool for Amazon merch sellers. Made me a boatload of money last year, so wanted to make sure I shared that they have all of the merch product types indexed and able to be searched in their tool, which is unique to them, I'm pretty sure. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon with another new video.